Friends, it this is unboxing the Flipkart product. I purchased from Flipkart this one. Dairy milk chocolate, the milkshake, anything you make with jam, the bread jam will be used, no problem. Before start the video, please like and video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. If you need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist, I button, or more videos. Okay, let's start unboxing. This is our Flipkart box, complete sealed. Yesterday I ordered, today I received. Very fast delivery because of I'm a member of Flipkart Plus. The price, you know how much? 200 gram, 243 rupees. Without delivery charges. That's why I purchased 3 pieces. See, dairy milk chocolate. The 200 rupees, you see the MRP. The expiry date also not far along this one. The preparing date is 2018 December 29. The MRP is 200 rupees, but this one I get 43 rupees one piece. That's why I purchased 3 pieces. If you need more video like this unboxing, check in the top I button for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video. If you need anything question in the comment section. You need to like this product offer will be purchased. I'll give you a link description box you want to purchase. Okay guys, buy and like and video, share this video.